This is the another important problem from probability. Let x be a random variable with a probability density function f of x equal to 1 by 3 e power minus x by 3 for x greater than or equal to 0 and 0 for x less than 0. We need to find the moment generating function of x and a expected value v of x and variance v of x. The first moment generating function of x. The formula is m x of t. This is the notation for moment generating function. The formula is integral over minus infinity to infinity e power dx f of x dx. So this is the formula for moment generating function. So in this case, m x of t equal to, here x value greater than or equal to 0. So the lower limit is 0, upper limit is we don't know, so 0 to infinity e power dx from the formula and f of x. In this case, this is the f of x function, that is 1 by 3 e power minus x by 3 into dx. So the next step, we can take outside the constant, that is 1 by 3, the remaining term 0 to infinity e power tx into e power minus x by 3 dx. So both the denominators are same, so we can add the powers. So 1 by 3 integral 0 to infinity e power, we can take minus x common in both the cases. So the first case, minus x common means the remaining term, so minus t. So if you multiplied minus t into minus x, that is plus tx minus plus 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 into minus x, that is minus x by 3 into dx. We can take outside minus x because we already know that e power minus infinity, e power minus infinity value will be 0. So equal 1 by 3 integral over, okay, just apply the integral formula. So integral formula e power ax integration over dx. The formula is e power ax by a, that is coefficient of the x value should come here. Coefficient of x value should come here. So this is the one another formula. So e integration e power minus t plus 1 by 3 into x minus x by coefficient of x. So in the coefficient already minus is there. So minus, so here minus is there. So minus into minus t plus 1 by 3. So upper limit value infinity, lower limit value 0. So 1 by 3. So if we substitute the upper limit value infinity here, that means this term will be e power infinity. So infinity into any number. So e power minus infinity. So that term will be e power minus infinity. We already know that e power minus infinity value will be 0. So upper limit, while applying upper limit, we can receive that value 0 minus lower limit. So already there is the minus here. So minus into minus plus any number power 0 is value 1. So 1 by denominator term minus t plus 1 by 3. So this term will be 1 by 3 into 1 by, if we take LCM, so denominator term will be 3 minus 3t, that means 1. If we multiply this number, minus 3t plus 1. 1 into 1, 1. One by denominator term will be 3 minus 3t plus 1. So this term equal to 1 by 3. See, we can multiply the term by 3 by minus 3t plus 1. Both are same. So inverse of division is multiplication. So 3 get cancelled. 3 get cancelled. The remaining value 1 by 1 minus 3t. So this is the Human generating function m x of t. M x of t. So this is 1 by minus 3t plus 1. Just write the positive number first and then negative number second. Both are same. So this is the solution for Human generating function. The second one, we need to find the mean value, that is E of x. To find mean, that is E of x. So E of x formula is moment generating function first derivative at point 0. So this is the formula for E of x. E of x is moment generating function first derivative at 0. So m x dash of t. So first differentiation. So we already found that mx of t, just update here. So that is 1 by 1 minus 3t differentiation. So we can write it as 1 minus 3t inverse, that is inverse term differentiation. So in general formula, x power general formula x power n differentiation is x power n differentiation is n x power n minus 1. X power n differentiation is n x power n minus 1. So in here, so this term will be so in this case n is minus 1. So n x instead of x here 1 minus 3t n x power n minus 1. N is minus 1. In the formula there is a minus 1. So minus 1 and this is some function of t. While differentiating, we need to differentiate once again. So differentiation of this constant number 1 is 0, but differentiation of minus 3t, again it will give that minus 3. So multiplication of these values, here minus 1 and minus 3. Multiplication will give that minus minus plus 3 and then 1 minus 3t power minus 1 plus minus 1. This term will be minus 1 plus minus 1 term will be minus 2. So mx of m, so m x dash of t we already found that is 3 into 1 minus 3t power minus 2. So we need mx dash at point 0. That means wherever t appears, we need to substitute the value t equal to 0. That is 1 minus 3 into 0. So minus 2. That is 3 into 1 minus 0 whole power minus 2. 3 into any 1 power minus 2. So this is equal to 3. So E of x value here is 3. The third one, we need to find the variance. That is variance of x equal to E of x squared minus E of x the whole square. E of x squared formula is moment generating function twice differentiable. So one is differentiation of moment generating function at point 0. This is the formula for E of x squared. E of x squared is twice differentiable second derivative of mx of t at value 0. So mx double dash of t, so it is equal to mx dash, first differentiation of t, again differentiation. So one differentiation here and then one differentiation, it gives double differentiation, which is equal to, we already know that one differentiation value, that is 3 into 1 minus 3t whole power minus 2. See, this is the so this is the value we used here. So mx double dash of t, number constant is again constant, keep it as h. So x power n differentiation formula is n x power n minus 1. So, and then this is the function of t. So we need to differentiate once again. So constant differentiation is 0, minus 3t differentiation is the value minus 3. If you multiply all this value, 2 into minus 2, minus 6, minus 6 into minus 3, that is plus 18 into 1 minus 3t power minus 3. This is the value for mx double dash of t. But we need mx double dash of 0. That means we need to apply t value equal to 0. 18 into 1 minus 0, that is again 0, our power minus 3. So this is 18 into 1 power minus 3. 1 power any number is again 1. So the answer is 18. mx double dash of 0 is 18. So this is the e of x squared. So in the third question, we need to find the solution for variance of x. Variance of x formula is e of x squared minus e of x whole squared. So e of x squared value we already found that here it is 18 minus e of x value calculated in the second point, that is here. E of x value is 3. So we substitute this value in the last part of the problem. It is 18 minus 3 squared. So 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. This is the variance of x. So problem completed.